Do you have an abundance of leftover food you don't know what to do with after Thanksgiving? Every third Thursday of November, we give thanks to our friends and family and have a harvest of food. This feast is meant to be a consumption of a large amount of commonly eaten foods. It is part of our annual Thanksgiving event with seasonal significance. Traditionally, we celebrate with friends or family. However, typically big feasts means there's a large amount of leftover food. Anything not taken in doggy bags often go to waste. According to Time.com, this year, Americans are estimated to waste 305 million pounds of food after Thanksgiving. So how can you prevent all that waste? Here are a few ways you can use that leftover food to make new meals and snacks for you and your family. Let's start with an appetizer. You can make leftover mashed potato cheese pancakes. In this recipe, you will be needing leftover mashed potatoes. First, pour in 1 cup of mashed potatoes. Then, add in 1 egg. Next, add in 1/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese and 3 tablespoons flour. Mix till it's a slightly sticky dough. Add more flour if needed. Next, scoop out the dough and flatten the dough into thick discs. Heat a frying pan to medium heat and spray pan with cooking spray. Place pancakes onto pan and cook on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes or until they are golden brown. And you're done. For a main dish, next, a fun meal you can make is the Friends Thanksgiving sandwich. This sandwich includes leftover turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and cranberry sauce. First, toast 3 slices of bread. Spread 1 slice with herb mayo. Next, put turkey on top of bread. Then add on mashed potatoes and cranberry sauce. Next, add on a slice of toasted bread that's been soaked in gravy. Next, add on stuffing and top with another piece of toasted bread with herb mayo. Cut sandwich in half, and you're done. And for dessert, you can make these delicious leftover cranberry sauce bars. First, add in 2 cups of Quaker oats. Add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then, add in 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then add in 1 cup of unsalted butter softened. Make sure to mix well, making sure the oat mixture is moistened with butter. Spoon in 3/4 of the oat mixture into an ungreased 3x9 inch pan. Add cranberry sauce and spread it into a thin layer. Sprinkle on remaining oat mixture. Then bake at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Allow to cool and cut into squares. And you're done. There are so many other ways to prevent food waste. You just need to be creative and think less waste for the Christmas holiday. This has been Elise Stuetz. Back to you at the Anchor Desk.